Hey everybody, welcome back for another cash stuffing savings challenge video, you guys. Today we're going to be working out of another savings challenge book. We're going to be doing this first because somehow I kind of lost track with the last video. It was supposed to be $36 in there. Somehow I messed up, but it's correct now. All right, so we're going to go ahead and finish that $50 one so we can just be finished with it, y'all, okay? All right, so let's get into it. First of all, I want to say hey to everybody. I appreciate y'all. How y'all been? Let me know. If for anyone new and just starting a budget, let me know how it's going too. If you're a low income budgeter like me, let me know that. Let me know how your journey is going, okay? And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And also, I have budget binders on sale for $20, shipping included inside the USA. But first, before we get to that, I forgot last video. We got some change, y'all. Let's go ahead and stuff this change. Give y'all a little ASMR. Whoops, runaway penny. Alrighty. Get that change out the way. This came from the Dollar Tree as well. In case somebody's looking for a durable change jar. It's kind of short, but I like it. It's very heavy duty. Okay, you guys, so we have $14 left to complete this, okay? So let's see. I know I'm gonna need change. So we have a $20 bill here, and we had $14 left, y'all. So let's see if we got change. So 20, that means 14. That means I'll need $6 back. Let's see if this is right. And put this 20 right here, because I didn't have change, y'all. All right, now let's see how we did. Whoops. How was your Halloween? 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We got some shmoney. And guess what, y'all? This doesn't have to go to any bills. Well, it will go to a bill, but I don't have to use it. I'm actually completing it. And it's not going towards my rent this month, you guys. Why? Because we paid our rent on time. Yay, yay. Okay. So, did we even count that? Y'all, I don't even know if I counted the money, honey. Let me see. So this is that 50. So it was 20, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, shucks, y'all. And we're not going to start the video over. But so 20, 25, 20, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, $31. But I think it was actually, because this came from change, so it was actually like, minus this. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It was $25, but this is the change that came out of the binder. I hope I'm saying that right, if y'all can get it. So we're going to just go ahead and say 20. We're going to go ahead and say 31, I guess, because I'm restuffing the change. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We're going to say $31. All right. So we're going to go ahead and color this in because we completed this. Halloween was bananas around here in my area. How was Halloween for you guys? We saw some exciting things around our neighborhood, some exciting people. Y'all know I've never seen nothing like this in my life. Do you know some of the adults, maybe in y'all community, they do it, but they pass out shots here, like liquor, y'all. I was like, ooh, they like, here, we got a treat for you too. I'm like, oh, I don't drink, but that's like, okay then, do y'all a big one. If my mama was here, whew, or if it was a couple of years ago, I'd be running around here lit. All right, y'all, so we have, let's see what we're gonna do. So we got 5, 6. Okay, we're gonna probably do the I Am a Queen. Okay, so we got, okay, we're gonna do the 6 and, no. Okay, we're gonna do the 6 and the 2. So we're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do $8 out of this. First, let's color in the 6 and the 2. Still haven't got them crayons. Ooh. One day, honey. One day your girl will have time to just slow down. One day. But right now my feet all the way on the gas. Did y'all see that? Y'all saw that? Okay. So we got $8. We're gonna be stuffing 5, 6, 7, 8. And that was out of our $100 challenge. So let's see what we have now. So we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, y'all. We got that money, that money, that money, money, money. All right, so we got $52 now. We almost there, so at least we don't have to work on this one. We don't have to work on this one, so we are almost there. Okay, so now we have $3. Oh, we won't be able to stuff that. Oh, maybe we can. Let's see. Whoops, goodness gracious. So we're gonna go ahead, because somebody gave me a tip. I was so close. So we're gonna go ahead and I don't even have change, y'all. How can I do it? I hate when I don't have the correct amount of money. Well, honey, we're gonna just put this we're gonna put this 3 in here, y'all, and I'm just gonna let it know 03. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead. We owe this one $1. See that little mark I made? Because I want to put something in this so we can try to get close to our $83. So now we have 20, 21, 22, 23. So 20, 21, 22. Y'all, your girl, oh, bear with me. Pray for me. Pray for me, everybody. Pray for me. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, okay, it's moving along, but at least I started it over. You know, at least I'm trying to get back to where I was. All right, so that is it for this video, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and relax, get dinner going. Like I said, make sure you guys keep an eye out for the video, the live that I'm going to be doing. So hopefully you can win a free gift. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much to all my supporters for being here for a girl like me and helping me and motivating me on this way up out of this debt, y'all. It's so important. It's crucial that I have and maintain a level of support outside of my household. And if you are in the situation, financial debt or low income like me, it's crucial for you also to find support outside of your household with like-minded individuals who can help you and motivate you along on your journey. Okay, so everyone, be blessed, keep up the great work. Every little bit counts. From a penny to $100, it all adds up. See you guys on the next video. Bye.